Hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to bake bread without an oven and without a mixer. Yes, you heard me right, you don't need oven or mixer for this one. So we are going to start by adding some warm water into a bowl, then you add in some yeast, you add some sugar. I'll drop the measurement in the description below. You add salt and you add some oil. If you are using butter, you add the butter after mixing the dough. But if you are using oil, it's better to add everything from the beginning like this. So you are going to mix everything together thoroughly. Then you add some flour. Make sure you sieve your flour before adding, please. Now you will mix everything together with your spatula or spoon. You want to mix it thoroughly. Please take your time and mix it well till it turns to a dough. Now we are going to sprinkle some flour on a clean flat surface so that it won't stick. Then transfer the dough and knead it well for about 5 to 10 minutes, I think. Kneading with your hand can be very stressful, honestly. I won't lie to you guys. Just knead for some minutes. You can stop when you are tired. It doesn't necessarily have to be very smooth since it's homemade and for home consumption. But if you have a mixer or a food processor, you can just use that to knead it. That will be very fast and it will save you from stress. This method is for those that do not have a mixer or a food processor. So after kneading, you will oil your bowl, then keep the dough inside the bowl. Then cover with a clean towel and keep in a warm place for 1 hour. Now you need a bread pan like this or the aluminium one. You can use any pan you have depending on the shape you want. So we are going to oil our pan, or you can use butter as well. Then sprinkle some flour over it like this. It will prevent the bread from sticking to the pan and it will also prevent it from getting burnt. So you can also use parchment paper as well. After 1 hour, this is what we have. Then you punch it to deflate like this, then transfer back on the clean surface. Now we are going to spread it out and mold it together like this. Just follow the way I'm doing it. You fold it well to form a shape like this. Then you put it in the pan and cover it again. Keep in a warm place to double in size for another 1 hour. Now we need an aluminium or stainless pot like this. I won't advise you to use non-stick pot so that it won't get spoiled. So you can either use salt or sand. I'll be using sand for this method. You can use salt if you can't get sand. After using salt method, you won't be able to use the salt for cooking, or you can keep it and use it to bake another time. So put small amount of sand or salt on the bottom of your pot, then put it on the fire to heat up for about 10 to 15 minutes. You need to preheat it just the way we preheat our oven before baking. After 15 minutes, you need paper or parchment paper. You can also use newspaper. So we are going to layer it on the sand. We are doing this because we don't want the smell of the sand to take over the bread's flavor. So paper will serve as a barrier, or the parchment paper to serve as a barrier. Now our bread has doubled in size, as you can see. I had to change the pot because the first one was too small for the size of the bread pan. So you can take note of that too. Use a big wide pot, please. You will then put the pan in the pot, cover to bake for 20 to 30 minutes on low heat. If you are using oven, it will bake in just 15 minutes under 180 degrees Celsius. So after 25 minutes, I think, this is what we have. I actually covered it to bake for 5 more minutes because I don't want it too whitish. So you can just brush some oil on it for a shining look, and just look at that. Very clean homemade bread without oven. I sliced it out and it's so hot. Just look at that. I love hot bread so much. The butter I spread on it literally melted. It's so soft and delicious. You all need to try this bread recipe and you'll thank me later. So if you don't have an oven, this is a very good method that you can use. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.